Okay, so now we have created the fields and also we have given the validation rules. So the next step is here in the search setup, just click on App Manager. Okay, App Manager. Okay, so just select App Manager here. And here after that, you have to click on New Lightning App, which is you can see it on your right side, that is New Lightning App. So just click here. And here you have to enter your app name. So suppose my app name, let me keep it as, okay, just a minute, keep it as student app. Okay, and then if you, these are all optional, you can enter the developer name, the description, and you can upload the image for your app branding, or else just click on next. And then here make sure that your navigation style is of standard navigation. So here by default my navigation style is of standard, so no changes here. Again just click on next. And then here you have to enter the utility items, so again this is optional, and then click on next again. Okay, so now here you have to select your items, that is the navigation items. So first let me select my navigation item, that is student. Okay, so just click and click on this right button, so your navigation tab will be added. So after student, let me add one more item, that is report. Again add this item, and let me add one more item, and it is called as dashboard. Okay, so I added this item also in my new lightning app. So after adding all the selected items, just click on next. Okay, and here you have to select the user profile. So if you scroll down below, you will see the profile of system administrator, or you can just search here system administrator. Select the system administrator by clicking this add, and now click on save and finish. Okay, now your lightning experience is created. Okay, now you have to do the setup. So just click on the setup part here, and then search for the app name which you have given. So I have given student app, right? So just click on student app here. Okay, you will be able to see the items which you have entered, that is students, reports, and dashboards. So currently I have not created any report or dashboard, so it is empty here. So now let me create the record for my student. So make sure that you are in the students item, and then click on new to add the record. So let me give the student name as ABC, and validation rule which I have given for USN is what? It should start with 1DA. So make sure that you are entering the USN which is starting with 1DA, and then you can enter any USN of your choice. Okay. Oh, okay. I guess by mistake I have created the student name field 2 times. Make sure that you have created it only once. And then the section, suppose I'm giving the section has C, and then the CGPA is 9.0 maybe. And then click on save if this is your last record. Let's just click on save and new for the creation of new record, and you can create one more record. So suppose I'm creating the record has MNO. Okay, now let me give my USN. It is not starting with 1DA. So let us see what happens. So let me give something has 17CS89. Okay. And let me give the section has D, and let me give the CGPA which is exceeding 10. So let me give it as 12. So now let us save. Okay, now you're getting an error, that is please enter valid USN and please enter valid CGPA. Why you're getting this error? Because in validation rule we have mentioned that USN should always start with 1DA. So make sure that your USN is starting with 1DA, and also the CGPA should be lesser than 10. So suppose I'm giving my CGPA as 8. Okay, so then click on save and new if you're creating one more record, or if this is your last record, just click on save. Okay, now let me just click on save, and then this record will be saved. So here you can see this record. Okay, so this is how you create the record. Now again, if you click on the students, you'll be able to see all the records which you have created. I have created only 2 records, that is ABC and MNO. If you just click on that, you will be able to see the whole record. Okay. Now let us see how to create the report and dashboard. So first you have to create reports and then the dashboard. So now let us create our report. Okay, for creating report, just click on reports, and again on the right side you will be able to see new report. So just click on new report. Okay, it is loading, it takes some time. Okay, so now you can see you have to choose your report type. So what report type let me choose? So I will choose the student report. Okay, just select students and then click on continue. Okay, so now here you can see the student, that is the records which have entered in students, that is ABC and MNO are available here. So now what you can do is you can add some columns. Here only student name is displayed, right? You can add the columns. So just click on columns and you can add the column like section, and if you want you can add one more column like CGPA. Okay, and then again you can group the rows. Okay, it is saying to see the latest edits, refresh the preview. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, so now here you can see the section and CGPA. If you don't want this columns, just click on this into month. Those columns will be removed. Again, if you want to group the rows, suppose I have entered the records of C section more than one. So just you can select click on group rows, and if you want to group the rows based on your section, you can just click on section. Here you won't be able to see much changes because I have given only 2 sections, that is C and D, which are different. If they are common, you'll be able to see all the C section here and all the D section here. Okay. Again, if you don't want this, you can just click on this into mark to remove and then click on refresh. You'll be able to see the changes here. So this is how you create the report. Now let us see how to create the dashboard. So for that, just click on dashboards here. Okay, before that, make sure that your report is saved. Okay, so just click on save. Here you can see save, right? So just click on save. So for that you have to give your report name. So let my report name be new students report, and you can click on save. Okay, now your report is saved. So what mistake I did is I did not save my report before creating the dashboard. So first save your report by clicking on save, and then now you can create your dashboard. Okay, now in the dashboard, you can create your dashboard. So again, just click on new dashboard here on the right side. Okay, you can give any name for your dashboard. So suppose I'm giving student details as my name, and just click on create. Okay, now your dashboard is created and you can add the components here. So for that, make sure that you're clicking this plus button, that is component. Okay, and now here you can choose the reports. So for now I have created only one report. If you have many reports, all the reports will be displayed here. So just click on new students report and then click on select. Okay, so now here you can make some changes. So uh, here you can do the chart settings. Has only one record is there, only this chart is available, and then you can see something has add columns. So again the same thing which we saw in the record. So again you can add the column here like section if you want, and see here the section is visible on your right side here. And then again you can sort. So let me sort my record using CGPA. So now the records are sorted according to your CGPA. And then okay, and then here there is something like component theme, that is if you want light you can keep it as it is, whereas if you want darker theme you can just click on dark, and after that you can just click on add to add this component to your dashboard. So this is how you create your dashboard. So here we have created the report, and for that report I have created the dashboard. So first you have to create the report before creating the dashboard. Okay, so this is how you create the report and dashboard by entering the records and your student. So I hope you all understood somewhat. If you do like this video, please do share it to your friends and also do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.